Hello friends, welcome in this session. Now in this session we are going to discuss about Python variable. Okay, all details about Python variable, what is variable, how many types of variable, how we can assign the variable, and what is the importance of the variable. These all things we'll discuss. So variable is nothing but this is used to store the data. This is used to store the data in memory. Okay, with the reference of variable name. So it acts as a placeholder for data. So suppose if we are doing a equals to 5, so a is a reference value and value of a is 5. Got my points? So variable a stores the integer value 5. In the same way, if we are going to name equals to what? Name equals to Ram. So variable name stores the string value Ram. Fine. We can print these two, right? A comma name. Let's see. C 5 and Ram. Separately we can also print, like if we don't want to print at the same print function, so we can use this one also, right? Name. In the same way we can do these things also. Got my points? Yes, fine. Now what we'll do, so there are certain rules are there that we need to follow while creating the variables. Okay, so let me provide documentation for the same. So like I have already copied these things. Okay, so first one is what? Variable name can only contain letters, digits and underscore. Letters means A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Fine. Second one, variable cannot starts with digit, like see this way cannot start with digit. And one more thing, what? These are the case variables are case sensitive, means case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. Fine, case sensitive. It means, see, this we have already seen. Okay, and if we are doing this one like A1, this is fine. A1 means 2, like, but 1A we cannot do. If we are doing, see, this is giving error. What? End of statement expected, means we cannot start. We cannot do these things, right? Cannot start with it. And variable are set cases, means a equals to, if a equals to, we are providing 3, so both a1 and a1 are different. See, a1 and a1 are different. And how we can say different? Let me print the id so that I can show you. Print id of what in the memory id, I mean it is there. So both will be different. A1, right? If we print this one, see, both are different, right? So this is case sensitive. Fine. Now there are basic operation we can perform. Basic operations, I can say. Comment, we can do comment in this way: basic operations, like what we can do, like x equals to 4, then y equals to 3, and we can print this one, what? Z equals to x plus y, and print what? Print z. See, 7 is there. So let me comment out above other prints also. and here also. Fine. So this is fine. Let me comment out this one also. Okay. Now again, so see, we are saying that we are not explicitly declaring the type of this data. Type of data means it is a dynamic typing. Python is a dynamic typing. So if we want what type of it is there, then we can print type of what? Type of A1. So let's see what it will give you. Means it is an integer type. Got my points? See, A1 is integer type. In case of if I'm going to X, okay, X, then see the same it will print X. And suppose if I'm going to print type of name, okay, print type of what? Type name. So it will tell you that it is the nature of this one is a string. Got my points? So this is nothing but dynamic typing. So we need not to explicitly define the type of data. It is a compiler's job. It is in Python that it will handle by compiler automatically. We need not to worry about the typing part. So that's why we are calling Python as a dynamic typing. Now we can do multiple assignment also. How we can do multiple assignment? Let's see. Okay. Let's comment out this one. Okay. Multiple assignment. MUL multiple assignment. ASSIGNMENT. Right. So multiple assignment means, see, A equals to B equals to C equals to 8. Right. And now if we are printing A comma B comma C, so it will print all these value. See, 8 8 8. So multiple assignment we can also do. We can assign different values also. How we can multiple assignment with same value, multiple assignment with different value we can do also. Okay, see, with different value. How can we do this one? See, A comma B comma C equals to 4 comma 7 comma 8. Right. So this way we can do. Got my points? Now if we print this one, what? A comma B comma C, see what happens. 4 7 8. It prints. We can take other points of value like 4.5 also. So then we can do here another value D, and then name also, sorry, name Sam, and here we need to provide the name. Okay, and AVC comma D comma name, it will give, see, 4 5 4 7 8 4 4.5 Sam, all it prints, right? So this operation we can perform this way also. Got my points? So this is also one of the important thing related to variable. Okay, now next one, if sometimes if we require, we need to convert the value integer into a string into float into string. I mean, these type of conversion we can do. Okay, so how we can do? Suppose, so let me, okay, conversion, typecasting, or we can say casting. Okay, typecasting. Typecasting. So typecasting means, suppose name equals to what, or not name, or a equals to, we are giving a string value 5. Okay, so this is a string value and I want to convert this string into integer. Okay, so how we can convert? S equals to what? S equals to int. This is the function, I can say int, and we need to provide the value of string C A. Correct. So here print type of what? Type of A, and again if we are going to print here type of what? Type of A again. So instead of doing this one, we will do these things. See what it prints. See, a string and a string. Okay, so this one, because A is already what? A is already a integer, so we need to provide here S. If we'll provide S, then it will do what? String. See, fine, string and integer. A is integer and S is string. Now it converted, and if we are going to print the value, okay, print A and copy this one, print of S. Fine, print of S. So see 5, this one 5 5. So we can typecast. So in the same way, like if we are going to convert float, then float is a function and we need to float to int, float to string, float to integer, we can convert. So these are the functions we can like just here int is a function, so str is also function to converting into numerical value, casting integer to string, casting integer to float, casting integer to string. So we can do this way. Got my points? Okay, so this is all about typecasting. Okay, now I can say swapping. One very important thing I'll show here, how we can swap the variable. So this is very easy in Python actually. Swap the variable. What? Swap the variable. How we can swap variables? This is very easy and very tricky, I would say, right? Like see, a comma b equals to 4 comma 9. Fine. And if we are going to a comma b equals to b comma a, so now swap. So if we are going to print what? Print a comma b. So see, now a becomes 9 and b becomes 4. See, and earlier I'll show you earlier what happened. A comma b. See, 4 9 9 4. So this way we can swap. And in other programming language we need to apply the logic, right? We need to make the temporary variable, or we need to do subtract in one variable to another variable. So there is some certain logic, but here we need to swap very easily, and this is tricky, I can say, right? So almost I have completed all things related to variable. One is remain there, that is global and local variable, that we need to discuss when we'll discuss about functions and all this. Somewhere I have discussed in my channel global variable and local variable, but still I'll discuss in the coming session. that what how we can define local and global variable, right, in Python itself. Yeah, so for now that's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks a lot.